e.l.f. box from Influencer today. Let's see what's in it. Okay. So it looks like I got a hydrating bubble mask. Ooh. Some highlighter and bronzer. Yes. What else did they give me? Ooh, a face primer. The Lord knew I needed that. And what is this little goodie? Ooh, lip color. They knew I love wine. What is this? Ooh, a lip exfoliator. That's nice. What else we got in here? Flawless skin. Or flawless starts with skin, whatever. And then some little paper. Thanks, Influencer. Y'all always hooking me up. A flawless look begins with flawless skin. And thanks to e.l.f., I'm going to have that. I'll get back to you all when I check it out. Bronzer, lip exfoliator, lip color and wine, wonderful full-size face primer, and a hydrating bubble mask.